your previous project together and how much did you enjoy doing this?
Sige. Somewhat similar but hugely different. So similar to, for me, especially for me, sa Lavender Fields na ginawa namin. So medyo double life guy din siya. But this one naman, aside from protecting something, very, very noble yung gusto niyang mangyari sa buhay niya. So yun yung medyo similarity. But iba yung tono ng show na to. This is darker. This is more intriguing. It's more captivating in terms of themes. And it's just very, very exciting. It's something that sometimes, basically, they have put fear in front of you and made you watch it. So your worst fears in a relationship, yun yung pinaglaruan ng mga writers dito. So we love it because it's the cost of peace.
Yan na, nag-complete song. Sumayaw na si Chen.
Okay na po yung kanina.
Kinakabahan ka daw kasi.
Huwag niyo na pong baguhin yung
Disco na lang.
Okay na po yung ang bahay ko with the disco.
Jenny, you wanna add to that?
Yeah.
Yes, actually, super sakto yung sinabi ni Echo. Actually, nung una, medyo worried ako and kunento ko kila Changles, kay Derek May na medyo worried po ako kasi si Anna at si Iris parehong mga mayaman na asawa ni Tyrone or ni Ben. Pero as in, throughout the weeks of the script, sobrang ibang-iba yung kwento. And I think these are two characters na hindi pa namin nagagawa before. Mas komplikado yung mga layers nila mag-asawa. Kasi ang nagawa namin before sa Lavender Fields is talagang sinasabi ko yung nararamdaman ko na parang kung di ka mapupunta sa akin, mamatay na tayo lahat, yung very vocal, gano'n. Dito, everything is parang underneath the surface. At sa tingin ko, nag-a-apply sa lahat ng characters. So, pati kami nare-reveal sa amin yung mga sagot sa mga tanong as the story progresses. And I hope yun din yung kapitan ng mga kapamilya natin.
Basically, the show is like yung soundtrack nating gabi. Para siyang si Imelda Madrigal na mamaya-maya thriller yung music, tapos biglang may hihing disco, tapos mamaya thriller na naman ulit. Very Imelda Madrigal. Yun yung show namin. Yeah.
Interesting. Thank you, Echo and Janine. For Carmina, Sophia, and